Hello everyone. Let us start today's science class with this thought. Umbrella cannot stop the rain but make us stand in rain. Confidence may not bring success but gives power to face any challenge in life. So children, inhale confidence, positive thoughts and exhale out doubts and negative thoughts. Slowly, self confidence will become the foundation of your achievements, isn't it? You all know that indicators are the substances which change their colors in presence of acid or base. Indicators are of two types: natural or domestic indicators and synthetic indicators. Today we are going to study how the natural indicators are made. This activity you can try at home. You can collect red petals of hibiscus flower and you can rub these rose hibiscus red petals on white filter paper. So this gives hibiscus indicator paper. Similarly, you can rub rose petals on the white filter paper and you will get rose indicator paper. Similarly, turmeric indicator paper can be prepared. For this, you have to dissolve turmeric powder in water and you have to dip filter papers or ordinary paper in this turmeric water for some time. When you dry these papers, you will get turmeric indicator paper. Similarly, red cabbage indicator paper can be prepared. For this, leaves of red cabbage is dissolved in means it is put up in a small quantity of water and then heat is applied to it. Once the solution of cabbage leaves cool down, dip the papers in it and let them dry, and in this way you can prepare red cabbage indicator paper. These are the natural indicators. Here is the chart which shows effect of turmeric paper on lime juice as well as on lime water. Lime juice contains citric acid. So what will be the color of lime juice on turmeric paper? In lime juice, turmeric paper shows yellow color. Means lime juice exists in acidic form. It contains citric acid. And when turmeric paper is dipped into lime water, calcium hydroxide solution, it will turn red. So lime water exists in basic form. Clear to you all? Domestic indicator. On non-availability of laboratory indicator, natural indicators can be made by using several domestic substances. You must have seen yellow food stain turning red after washing with soap. Children, have you experienced this? The yellow food stain turns red when you wash it with soap because soap contains alkali, and therefore chemical reaction takes place between turmeric and alkaline material of soap and yellow food stain turns red. Here turmeric acts as an indicator. Natural indicators can also be prepared from red cabbage, radish, tomato and similarly from hibiscus and rose. Here is an activity. You can take baking powder, add little water to it, and this solution is added on lime juice, vinegar, orange juice, apple juice, and note down the observation. What will you observe? Baking soda solution, when it is added in fruit juice, bubbles will come out. These bubbles will come out or effervescence is produced. So this is a simple activity which can help you to identify whether the substance exists in acidic form or alkaline form. Effervescence of CO2 are coming out. Baking soda is an alkali, and when it is added to fruit juice, effervescence of CO2 will come out. What happens when sour substances like lime juice, tamarind water falls on shahabad stones or kitchen platform? When sour substances like lime juice, tamarind water falls on shahabad stones or kitchen platform, which acid is present in lime juice? Citric acid is present in lime juice and tartaric acid is present in tamarind. That react with metal carbonates which are present in shahabad stones or kitchen platform, and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Clear? You can collect soil samples from your surrounding and see whether it exists in acidic or alkaline or neutral form. Which substances are used to clean greenish stains on copper vessels and to shine blackish silver utensils? Tamarind pulp is used to clean greenish stain on copper vessels. To shine blackish silver utensils, ammonical solution or lime juice or detergent is used. Your mother may be cleaning copper vessels with lime juice or tamarind pulp. Have you seen it? Actually, copper or brass utensils, they become shiny. Yes, how it happens? Actually, unused copper vessels, they are covered with a coating of black copper oxide and other compounds of copper which tarnish the vessels. Tamarind contains tartaric acid, and when the vessel is rubbed with tamarind pulp, tartaric acid reacts with copper oxide and removes the layer, and thus copper vessel regains its shine. Clear? Why toothpaste is used for brushing teeth? Hmm. Toothpaste contains fluorides and alkali to neutralize mouth acid. Toothpaste, which is generally alkaline in nature, is used for cleaning the teeth as it neutralizes the excess acid which is present in our mouth, and thus it prevents tooth decay. I hope you have understood all these questions. Acid is a substance which gives H plus ions in solution state. HCl dissociates in water solution. HCl, when it is dissolved in water, it gives H plus hydrogen ion and Cl minus chloride ion. The substance which on dissolving in water gives H plus ions, such substances are called as acids. Clear? HCl dissociates in water as H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Examples of some acids: hydrochloric acid, molecular formula is HCl; nitric acid, HNO3; sulfuric acid, H2SO4; carbonic acid, H2CO3. Carbonic acid is used in cold aerated drinks. Our daily diet contains a few natural organic acids. They are mild in nature and hence they are not harmful like mineral acids. Children, you might be knowing that acids are classified into two categories. One is mineral acids and another one is natural acids or organic acids. Mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and natural acids are organic acids. They are acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acids. Organic acids are mild in nature and they are not harmful like mineral acids. Vinegar is acetic acid. Orange contains ascorbic acid. Tamarind has tartaric acid. Tomato has oxalic acid. Curd contains lactic acid. Lemon has citric acid. So these are all natural and organic acids. Draw this table in your science copy. Let us study properties of acid. Number 1. Acids are sour in taste. Number 2. Acid molecules contain hydrogen ion as a main constituent. Acid, when dissolved in water, they give H plus ion as a main constituent. Acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with carbonates and liberates CO2 gas. Blue litmus turns red in acid. So these are the properties of acid. You note down all these properties. Use of acids. Acids are used in production of chemical fertilizers. Acids are used in production of explosives, oil purification, medicines, dyes and paints. Hydrochloric acid is used for preparation of different types of chloride salts. Hydrochloric acid is also used to clean toilets and to obtain glucose from starch and also for production of gelatin. Sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid is used in batteries. Sulfuric acid is also used in manufacturing of chemical fertilizers like ammonium sulfate. It is also used for cleaning gold and silver articles and it is also used in car batteries. Dilute hydrochloric acid is used for sterilization of water. Acid is used for making of white paper from wood pulp. Causticity of concentrated acid and base. Dissolution of concentrated sulfuric acid in water generates large amount of heat. Therefore, for dilution of concentrated acid, it is slowly added to water. Never add water in the concentrated sulfuric acid. It will produce enormous heat and cause explosion. Children, always keep in mind, in order to dilute the concentrated acids, add acid slowly to water. Never add water into concentrated acids because it will produce enormous heat and it may cause explosion. Bases like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong and caustic in nature. Their concentrated solution burns skin as it decomposes the proteins in the skin. We have seen that mineral acids are harmful to body. However, several organic acids are present in our body and in plants which are useful to us. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is an acid present in our body which decides heredity properties. Proteins which are part of our body cell are made up of amino acids. Fat of our body is formed by fatty acids. So today we have discussed indicators, how to prepare natural indicators. Then we have studied acids, their properties and their uses. In next video we will study about base and bases, different types of bases, their uses and properties.